You asked how to buy shares of Gascogne SA. Gascogne SA is a European paper and packaging company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALBI.PA. This video explains the practical steps to find and purchase the stock for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ALBI.PA to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly matches Gascogne SA on Euronext to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the basic business information. Check the price chart and confirm the ticker ALBI.PA so you are certain this is the right share. Tap the Invest or Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or executed when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.